Netgear RBK652S AX3000 Orbi Tri-Band Mesh Wi-Fi 6 Setup. 1. Unbox and identify components, locate the router, satellite, power adapters, and Ethernet cable. Ensure all components are present. 2. Connect the router to the modem. Use the provided Ethernet cable to connect the Orbi router's yellow port to your modem's LAN port. 3. Power on the router. Plug in the router and wait for the power LED to turn solid white, indicating it's ready for setup. 4. Place the satellite. Position the satellite in a central location, ideally within 30 feet of the router for optimal connection. 5. Power on the satellite. Plug in the satellite and wait for its LED to turn solid white, indicating readiness. Six. Download the Orbi app. Install the Netgear Orbi app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. 7. Log into the Orbi app. Create or log into a Netgear account to access the setup interface. 8. Follow app instructions. Use the app to detect and configure your Orbi system by following the step-by-step prompts. 9. Connect to Orbi Wi-Fi. Use the Wi-Fi credentials on the Orbi router's label to connect your devices to the new network. 10. Position devices optimally. Adjust the satellite's location if needed for better coverage based on the app's guidance.